Hello everyone, my name is Hallie.
I'm Darcy.
I'm Shelby.
I'm Angelina.
I'm Erica.
And today we'll be teaching you the importance of eating a variety of fruits and vegetables by making fall fruit pizzas. These pizzas are similar to regular pizzas, except we'll be using yogurt and fruit instead of tomato sauce and cheese.
Okay, so we're going to start out with our sauce today. We're going to be using a vanilla flavored Greek yogurt. Can everyone tell me what their favorite flavor of yogurt is? I like those flavors too. So yogurt is considered a dairy product, and it has protein and calcium in it, which are both very essential as part of a healthy diet. So first off, to make our sauce, I've already whipped together some cream cheese until it was light and fluffy. And next we're going to add 8 ounces of our yogurt in. Alright, and then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of honey. This is just so our sauce will be a little bit sweeter.
Now we are going to mix just so it's nice, light, fluffy, and just all the ingredients are mixed together. Perfect. Okay, so as Darcy has mentioned before, we'll be using dairy products such as the yogurt and cream cheese. So those dairy products have protein and calcium. Protein is great for helping our muscles grow and great for recovery after we exercise and play outside. Calcium helps build our bones and teeth. So now just to make the sauce more flavorful and fall-like, we are going to be adding 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And then we are going to mix red and yellow food coloring so that we make orange for fall. And we are using a gel consistency food coloring, so we will be mixing until it's the perfect orange or the orange that you feel is best. And your mixture should turn out something like this, nice orange with a little bit of cinnamon. That's okay.
Before we can move on to our next step, we are going to make the base of our pizza. How many of you like to eat the crust of a pizza? Well, like the pizza crust, we are going to make a crunchy base by toasting a piece of whole grain pita bread. To do this, we are going to cut the pita bread to make 2 halves. Can anyone tell me why whole grains are good for us? Whole grains are good for us because they get nutrients that our body needs to stay healthy. Not only will this whole grain pita help keep us healthy, but it'll also keep our tummies full. From here, we are going to take our whole wheat pita bread and toast it in the oven. And from there, we're going to let it cool.
As Shelby mentioned before, whole grains and fiber are important to help our digestion, to keep the food moving through our systems. Eating enough fiber is important to keep our stomachs happy and healthy. Today, we can find fiber in our whole wheat pitas as well as in our fruits. Now, I'm going to prep the fruits for our pizza. I'm going to start by washing and cutting this apple. I've already washed the apple, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it with a knife. Now, knives are sharp and can be dangerous, so please make sure you get an adult's assistance. To start, I'm going to cut a flat side on my apple so it lays flat and stable on my cutting board. Then, I'm going to cut it into discs. Once I have these discs, I'm going to use my cookie cutters to cut out some different shapes. What shapes do you want on your pizza? I'm going to use hearts and stars.
Did you know that apples and pears are a carbohydrate? Carbohydrate is a big word, but it just means a source of energy. Can you say carbohydrate? Good job. So now that we have our fruits cut out, we can start assembling our pizza. First, I'm going to take that sauce that we made earlier and spread it evenly all over our pita bread. So, now that our sauce is spread evenly, we can take that fruit that we cut out earlier, like those hearts and stars, and start making anything you want on your pizza. I'm gonna make a face, but you can make whatever you want. So, I can use hearts and stars, and I can end out with a final product like this. So our apples contain vitamin C, which keeps our hearts healthy and fights off those bad germs when we get sick. And that's our fruit pizza.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed.